Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to link your PlayStation Network account to Discord step by step, so your PlayStation activity can appear on your Discord profile and you can connect with friends more easily. Step 1. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Discord account on either desktop or mobile, and that you know your PlayStation Network login details. This is important to avoid linking the wrong accounts. Step 2. Open Discord. On desktop, click the gear icon at the bottom left to open user settings. On mobile, tap your profile icon, then go to Account or User Settings. Step 3. Find and select Connections. This section is where Discord links with external services like PlayStation Network. Step 4. Look for the PlayStation Network icon and click it or tap it. A new window will open asking you to sign in to your PSN account. Step 5. Enter your PlayStation Network email address and password, then confirm the connection. If two-step verification is enabled on your PSN account, complete that step as well. Step 6. Once connected, return to the Connections page in Discord. Here, you can choose whether to display PlayStation Network on your profile and whether to show your PlayStation activity as a status. Optional step, if you prefer linking directly from your PlayStation 5, go to Settings, select Users and Accounts, then Linked Services, choose Discord, and follow the on-screen instructions. This will connect the same way and sync with your Discord account. After completing these steps, your PlayStation Network will be successfully linked to Discord, and your gaming activity can be shared with your friends. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial.